Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a Michael's haul to share with you today. Oh my gosh. So I spoke to one of the ladies today, one of the cashiers, and she told me that a lot of the Halloween like paper pads and ephemera that people are hauling will not be in stock in my store for a little bit because they're like waiting on the shipment. So anyway, what I did find I'll share with you. I picked up the last 2 packs of gold crepe paper, and this was $2 something. It was not on sale, but I don't care. I have a hard time finding gold, so I grabbed it. I also picked up a pack of 120 piece jump rings, and they're like different sizes. And I think this was like $6 or something, but it was also on sale. I think it was for bead landing. If I can find my receipt, I will show it to you guys. Okay, another thing I found, which I was shocked to see it. This was the only one at my Michael's. Last one. It's the, what is this? Powder thing that Christian uses for the back of the stickers. So it's supposed to make the stickers not sticky. Takes away the stickiness. And yeah, so that's what I got. It's a We Are Memory Keepers EK tools also. Oh my gosh, I don't even know if you're in view, but that's what it looks like. And I don't know how to even open it. We'll see. Oh, good night. It doesn't want to open. Oh, come on. Oh, there. Gee whiz. That was hard. And so I guess you just dust it. Ooh, it smells just like baby powder. Now, I don't know. I think it just snaps. That's why. It just snaps on. So I got that, and it was on clearance. It was $5. So I also have I stuck this in my bag. I didn't even notice. But that's interesting. Okay. And I do have their app. So when I do check out, and I finally showed my military ID. So woohoo. All right. Anyway. Oh, they crushed my corner. Anyway, this is what I picked up. It's the Recollections foil cardstock. This I think was like under $6, something crazy. Don't quote me. I don't know. This one looks like iridescent, like silverish, but it says doesn't say anything. It says foil cardstock. That's what it says. Anyway, I picked that one up, and I picked the gold. All right. Another one I picked up, if you guys joined me on my Instagram live, they had these big bags of beads, 1 pound, and I said they look like pumpkins. So I'm going to use this as a garland with my pumpkins. And this one, it does say $19.99, but it was half off of bead landing. So this came out to like $8, a little over $8. So I picked one of the round ones with the pumpkins, and I picked up another one with the faceted sides. So I thought that would be cute, and there's some rectangles in there to use to make garlands. Sorry for the crinkling. I know some of us don't like the crinkling. And the paper pads were buy one get 2 free. And I went back for the papers on that Instagram live that I said I wanted to get. So I did pick them up, and I'm going to show you first Key West. And I don't know if you guys are interested, but I'm going to go ahead and open this and do a little flip through and put it on time lapse. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip through this. Sorry for the messy cable. All right, so this paper pad is Key West. There's 24 designs and you get 2 of each. So this is gorgeous. Now, I said on my live, I think I will use this as a, I'm gonna make an album for when I was home for my mom. We took a lot of photos, so I think this would be very, very pretty. Look at that. So you get 2 of each page or each design. Look at that. I mean, we don't have these birds on our island, but the colors are beautiful. I love this little tile work here. Look at that turtle shape. It is gorgeous. I hope you guys can see all this. It's so beautiful. And you have these blue palms. My mom's favorite color is blue. So you guys, look at this. The star apple. I was craving this when we went home, but it wasn't in season when we were there. So I didn't get any. My luck, of course. Key West is cute because it's got the gold foiling. There's a lot of gold foiling on the borders, but this I will not use. I'll probably cover up the Key West if I do use it. Blue like the water. We spent a few days at the beach. This is gorgeous with the blue and the green. And I took a lot of photos of my mom's garden around her house. So that would look so pretty. So with this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I know I'm rushing her. Beautiful florals. We have hibiscus on our island. We have camellias. We have ginger. This is ginger. We have, I forget what this one was called, like a bleeding heart or something. I don't remember exactly all the names, but those are gorgeous, gorgeous. This is a guava. So pretty. And then, oh, look at that. These card parts are gorgeous. They're 3x3s. Oh my gosh. So pretty. I'm loving all the foiling. So this paper looks like polka dots, but there's itty bitty plumerias right on the page. It's so pretty with the pink, the yellow plumerias and the palm trees. Oh my God. So gorgeous. I'm loving this. And you have this beautiful stripe. And then this right here. Oh my gosh. So much fun with this paper pad. Look at that. There's that beautiful like faux tile work. And then this. So beautiful. It's like a larger print of that other page, but the colors are so pretty. I'm liking the stripes. It breaks up all the flowers, all the floral prints. I'm not too crazy about the birds. I mean, the birds are beautiful, but you know, we don't have those birds unless they were somebody's pets. Okay, so that is the one paper pad, and it's the only one that has all the bright colors that I picked up. Now this one, I saw this on the live and I loved it so much, but I didn't pick it up. I did see Christian share hers, was it last night? Yeah, she shared it last night, and gorgeous. I mean, made me love it even more. I love this pattern for the fall. This one is Give Thanks, guys. So she already did a flip through, so I'm gonna go through this pretty quick. I did share a little bit of it on my Instagram live when I was at Michael's. Look at this gorgeous gourds right here. So pretty. You get 2 of the designs again. These pumpkins are beautiful. So pretty. Look at that. Definitely want to stick that into a Dollar Tree frame. If you don't know, Dollar Tree carries 12x12 frames now. Guys, go check it out, as a matter of fact. Oh, wrong one. For $1. Look at that. It fits perfect. You know, definitely put that in that frame. You could move, you know, do away with those and just use it as a whole picture. That would be so pretty. Oh my God, this pattern right here. The color is so pretty. It's like muted and it looks like fabric, and it's a good weight paper. Oh my gosh, I can just imagine making boxes and packaging like Christian, just following her tutorials, and those will be so beautiful. And these borders are so pretty. Love, love, love that. You have some gold foiling in this also. Look at the pumpkins. They all look like the pumpkins I just picked up from Dollar Tree. The velvety jewel colors. This is so pretty. You can make a junk journal cover with this. Just fold it right down the middle. It's on the perfect side also because you have that border trim. So pretty. And then this one, I've seen them use this pattern before also in another collection, but a great pattern. Love, love, love it. And you get 2 of that. It's foiled. This is another one that's great for junk journaling or for mini albums. There's another plaid. Oh my God, this is so full of plaid. I love it. Gorgeous green, like a hunter green. And then look at this turkey. He's so chunky with all the florals. OMG. And this one's so pretty. Christian was showing some samples of how she might use these papers, these card parts. These are 6x6. She turned one of them into a book. So cute. If you missed it, you guys need to go check out her live on her channel, her YouTube channel, Christian's Crafty Adventures. Look at this pattern. Oh my gosh. That looks like a gorgeous scarf or a jacket or a skirt. Oh my God. So pretty. This is what I live for. The fall leaves. Foliage. Oh, look at this one. It has a little bit of the twine. Oh my God. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, and yes. This looks so vintagey. Perfect for junk journals. Yeah, girl. They, I've seen a lot of junk journal ladies using like the real floral prints, like similar to this. And it's gorgeous, guys. And if you don't have the fabric, you have paper. There's so much to be thankful for, yes. Especially if you're still alive during COVID. I mean, it's not a laughing matter, but yes, that is definitely a reason to be thankful. Look at that. So you get 2 of those. This would be so pretty. You frame them and you put them on the wall or your display table or whatever. Put one on each side. Or if you have a long, you know, shelf or whatever on the wall, you can put them together, like one on each end. Separate them. It'll be cute. Look at this. It reminds me of bed mattress ticking. I don't know. It's dating myself right there because mattresses are not made with this pattern anymore, but it is gorgeous. And then this one, there's somewhat of the texture sometimes on some of these papers. I'm loving that color combo right there. Oh my God. Beautiful. Look at that. That is gorgeous too. Turn this baby into a junk journal. You got 2 just to play with. And you have more of the gourds and pumpkins. This is gorgeous. This is just so beautiful. Now, when I was picking out these paper pads, oh my gosh, there was like slim pickings because what they did have outside of what I picked, I did not like. Like, I didn't get the black and white that Christian shared because I didn't, I was going to waste my money on it. I know I wasn't going to use it with the black and white. But, you know, Christian shows me something. I might go back and get it. So look at these cut aparts, guys. You get these 4x4s up here. Actually, not even 4x4s. They're 2, 4, just about 4x4. And then you have this middle section. And then you have these tags right here. You can cut apart these labels. Cute. Stick that in the junk journal. This one. These are great journaling spaces. Oh my gosh, gotta make a junk journal now for fall. So pretty. I'm gonna turn one into a junk journal, and then that's the back. I almost thought that was a paper. Whoops, I'm so sorry, I keep hitting my phone. So that is the second one. So remember, it was buy two, get one free. This is Harvest Meadow. I think Christian got this one also, but this was one of the other paper pads that I said I was gonna come back and get. So great timing. Just so vintage looking. I'm in love with it. So there we go. Oh yeah, this is the pink. The pink, yes, yes, yes. I love this color for fall. It is so pretty. Look at that color. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I could use that on the house. Oh my gosh. I don't know if my camera is doing any justice to these colors. This is beautiful. It is a, oh my gosh, like a forest green, blue. Oh my gosh, so pretty. With a mix of a little bit of aqua. Oh my gosh. Not aqua. I don't know the fancy names to that, but it's too pretty. So vintage looking. Oh my gosh, this is going to make a beautiful junk journal. Look at these daisies. I just flipped past that other one. Look at that. It's got some texture, printed texture on here. The daisies are so pretty, so 70s. And then there's this beautiful fern pattern. Oh my gosh. And then you have a floral bundle. Oh my gosh, so pretty. There's more of the daisies. You got yellow daisies on a taupey background. And there's that beautiful pinkish color again with that deep blue. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty, guys. The lighting is not doing it any justice. This is our happy place. These are the 6x6 cut aparts. Oh my gosh, perfect journaling spots. Like if you don't have, like, if this doesn't fit your journal, you can always cut it down or fussy cut it, or even just cut the oval shape. You can even get a punch. If you have a punch that size, you could definitely like fussy cut around here. So pretty. And if you don't like what the word says, you can always cover that up with ephemera or your own photos, you know. Here's another cut apart. You get these gorgeous tags, these 6 flags and journaling cards. Oh my gosh, and 2 banners. Lots of options, guys. This mustard color, so pretty. Oh my god, I love it. And then they give you leaves. Oh my goodness. Foliage with the gold foiling. It's so pretty. And then there's this light green with this sagey color leaf. So pretty. So pretty. This, I mean, I'm just imagining so many different junk journals with these, you know, make ephemera pieces with them and all that. But look at that pattern. So pretty. I love it. And you got these little teeny tiny pumpkins, different colors, different shapes. Gorgeous. Look, you got alphas with the gold. Oh my gosh. I would cut out one letter and then, you know, maybe cut the square smaller and put some sequin mixes in it and then punch a hole and make it a charm. But that's what I would do. Because you have 2 sheets of the alpha, right? Now imagine if you're going to spell something out. You probably won't have enough letters. So I'd rather use it as an individual letter or somebody's like initials, 3 initials, right? And you have this beautiful minty color, like a faded mint. Sage. That would have been a better word, sage. This is a stripe, but it is a green, like a green stripe. And you can see some of the texture here in the corner. It's just printed texture, but it's still pretty. Love the brown. Oh my gosh. I'm imagining one of Carolyn's house with this, using this paper. Tea Time and Dolls, guys, if you're not familiar. This is so delicate. Oh my gosh, the fern with the gold leaf. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And then the last is this 12 by 12. The best things in life are the people we love and the memories we've made along the way. That is gorgeous. If you don't know how to use it, fussy cut the florals, and you can always fussy cut the words and break it up and place it in your junk journals as sections of the phrase, or you can fussy cut all into one piece. Lots of ways to use it. And then Christian used it to make one of those gift bags, like right there. Really quick Michael's haul, and go check them out. Now don't worry, I mean the Halloween in my Michael's, the cashier, if she's correct, it just hasn't all come in, and it'll slowly trickle in. She was like telling me to come in next week or something to come back for more Halloween, but we'll see. We will see. I definitely would pick this up this week because this is half off. It's 20 bucks, guys. So while it's on sale, go grab it because it will be a little over $8. And these wooden beads, you know, you'd never get a lot of this in one purchase. I mean, I don't know. And you could use it for Christmas. You could use it for any holiday. So go check it out. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.